Hello friends, my name is Mudassir Manzoor and I welcome you all in this new initiative of computer awareness, which is going to be special for you people that will help you in different competitive exams like banking, SSC, GK, SSB, UGC NET, railway, police and in other state level exams. As आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं some special features of this series. It include chapter wise discussion notes forum, chapter wise question bank with each chapter wise collection of previous year question including with 5 practice sets. So this series is going to be most important section for you people that will help you in banking, PO clerk, SSC, GK, SSB, UGC NET, police, railway and in other state level exams. And through this entire lecture series we are going to cover almost the entire syllabus और मैं स्टूडेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि वो रिवाइज करे ईच चैप्टर ईच टॉपिक एटलीस्ट ट्वाइस और वो आल्सो प्रैक्टिस रिवाइज करे MCQ PYQs एज वेल बिफोर दियर एग्जामिनेशन। इसके अलावा मैं आपको ऑल्सो बता दूं अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स। स्पेशली आप मेरे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं जहां मैं आपसे PDF शेयर करूंगा। अदरवाइज़ अगर आपको कोई क्वायरी डाउट या अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो देन आप मुझे आल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल। एंड हमने ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट किया है थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। वीडियोस आर अवेलेबल देयर। अगर आपने अभी तक उन वीडियोस को नहीं देखा आप जाके उनको आल्सो देख सकते हैं। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कवर सम इम्पोर्टेंट MCQ PYQs दैट माइट बी आस्क्ड इन योर एग्जामिनेशन। So this will be our first such MCQ PYQ set from this chapter, and there are many videos to come. Keep a tab on that. So let's start with the question number 1. The first question is dash dash forms the backbone for building essential computer system. This question had been already asked in SBI PO 2015. Your options are 1 computer architecture, 2 computer model, 3 computer instructions and 4 none of these. Here the correct answer is option 1, that is computer architecture. Let's see an explanation. जो computer architecture है it acts as a backbone for building a successful computer system and it is about the structure, organization and functionality of a computer system. And computer architecture includes hardware components like CPU, memory, storage and IO devices. Then instruction set ISA जो कि हेल्प करता है CPU को to process instructions and system design. It include data pathways and bus architecture etc. और एक वेल डिज़ाइंड आर्किटेक्चर जो है उसके हमें ग्रेट एफिशिएंसी, स्पीड, रिलायबिलिटी देखने को मिलते हैं इन कंप्यूटर सिस्टम है ना। जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 1 है दैट्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर। Now let's see the next question. The question is the first computer architecture was introduced in. Your options are 1 1945, 2 1934, 3 1953, 35 and 4 1918. The correct answer is option 1 1945. Let's see the explanation. जो फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर है इसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया इन द ईयर 1945 by John von Neumann in his paper that is first draft of a report on ADVAC. Von Neumann जो है he basically developed the first stored program architecture जो कि स्टोर करता था both data and instructions in the same memory. और ये जो आर्किटेक्चर है it ultimately becomes the foundation for modern computers जिसको हम today जानते हैं as von Neumann architecture. And before the invention of this architecture जो computers थे that use hardware instructions means वो खाली परफॉर्म करते थे one task at the same time. Thus जो year 1945 है it marks the introduction of computer architecture जो कि हम today use करते हैं। Hence जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 1 है that's our correct answer. Now let's see the next question. The question is which circuit board is used in all electronic systems such as computer, calculators, digital systems. Your options are 1 architecture, 2 printer, 3 value and 4 register. The correct answer here is option 1 that is architecture. Let's see the explanation. जो सर्किट बोर्ड जो कि ऑलमोस्ट यूज़ किया जाता है इन टूडेज ऑल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस इंक्लूडिंग इन कंप्यूटर्स, कैलकुलेटर्स एंड डिजिटल सिस्टम्स इज़ द आर्किटेक्चर. And in broader sense, architecture refers to the design and organization of any device. And if we define architecture as a physical component, then it refers to the motherboard or main board. However, जो architecture है, it act as a primary circuit board जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है ऑलमोस्ट इन ऑल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस, जो कि हाउस और कनेक्ट करता है सभी एसेंशियल पार्ट्स ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिस्टम. Let's also see why other options are incorrect. Like if we talk about option 2, printer. जो printer है, it is an output devices, but it had nothing to do with circuit board, which is not basically a fundamental circuit board within all electronic devices. Then option 3 जो है value जो है, it refers to the data or numerical content quantity, which is totally different from architecture. Then option 4 रजिस्टर जो है, ये हमें स्मॉल हाई स्पीड स्टोरेज लोकेशन देखने को मिलते हैं विद इन द CPUs. Hence जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 1 है, that's our correct answer. Now let's see the next question. The question is the system unit. 1. Coordinates input and output devices. 2. It is a container that houses electronic components. 3. It is a combination of hardware and software data. And 4. Controls and manipulates data. Here the correct answer is option 2. It is the container that houses electronic components. Let's see an explanation. जो सिस्टम यूनिट है, इट इज़ लाइक एन कंटेनर जो कि हाउस करता है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स, जो कि बेसिकली हमें फिजिकल केस देखने को मिलता है, जो कि एक्ट करता है एज अ मेन इलेक्ट्रिक component of a computer. Like it include motherboard, CPU, memory, power supply and other storage devices like hard drives and SSDs. Let's also see why other options are incorrect. If we talk about option 1, coordinates input and output devices, it is incorrect because जो system unit है, it also coordinate input and output devices, but जो operating system और जो device drivers हैं, that play main or a direct role in this coordination. Then option 3 जो है, that is a combination of hardware and software data. It is also incorrect because जो system unit है, it is itself an hardware which has nothing to do with software and data. Then option 4, controls and manipulates data, it is also incorrect because CPU central processing unit जो है, that is located within the system unit, जो कि हमें primary component देखने को मिलता है, which is responsible for controlling and manipulating data. Hence जो हमारा option number 2 है, that's our correct answer. Now let's discuss another question. The question is, which of the following is metal or plastic case that holds all the physical parts of the computer? And this question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk Mains 2017. Your options are 1. System unit, 2. CPU, 3. Mainframe, 4. Platform and 5. Microprocessor. Here the correct answer is option 1. System unit. Let's see the explanation. सिस्टम यूनिट, इसको हम आल्सो जानते हैं एज कंप्यूटर केस, चैसिस और टावर, जो कि बेसिकली बना हुआ होता है मेटल और प्लास्टिक का, जो कि होल्ड और कंट्रोल करता है सभी फिजिकल पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. And system unit includes motherboard, CPU, that is central processing unit, RAM, that is random access memory, and storage devices like SSD, HDD, and power supply unit, as well as cooling systems like fans, heat sinks or liquid cooling. और ये जो system है, it also protect the internal components of computer and provides easy access to install or upgrade parts. Hence जो हमारा option number 1 है, that's our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question. The question is, the components that process data are located in which of the following? This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk Mains 2017. Your options are 1. Input devices, 2. Output devices, 3. System unit, and 4. Storage component, and 5. Expansion board. Here the correct answer is option 3. System unit. Let's see the explanation. Components जो कि प्रोसेस करते हैं डेटा को are located in the system unit, specifically within the central processing unit, CPU and memory, that is RAM. And key processing components include CPU, that is central processing unit, that perform calculations and that execute instructions. Then ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit, ये हैंडल करता है अरिथमेटिक एंड लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस. देन कंट्रोल यूनिट CU, ये डायरेक्ट ये गाइड करता है डेटा फ्लो विद इन द सिस्टम. एंड देन RAM, दैट इज रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी, इट स्टोर टेम्पररी डेटा फॉर क्विक एक्सेस. So all of these components work together to process data efficiently. Hence जो हमारा option number 3 है, that's our correct answer. Now let's discuss another question. The question is, which of the following is not responsible for the performance of the computer? This question also had been already asked in IBPS Clerk Mains 2017. Your options are: 1. Number of keys in the keyboard, 2. Format of the video graphics word, 3. Memory in the video graphics word, 4. The clock speed of the processor, and 5. Number of cores available in the processor. Here the correct answer is option 1, that is number of keys in the keyboard. Let's see the explanation. The factor that is not directly responsible for the performance of computer, that is option 1, number of keys in the keyboard. Because if we talk about other options like option 2, format of the video graphics word, ये जो format है it influence how graphics data is processed and displayed, जो कि अफेक्ट करता है विजुअल परफॉर्मेंस को. देन ऑप्शन 3, मेमोरी जो है इन द दैट इज मेमोरी इन द वीडियो ग्राफिक्स वर्ड, दैट इज बेसिकली डेडिकेटेड मेमोरी जो कि हमें स्टोर देखने को मिलती है विद इन द ग्राफिक्स कार्ड GPU, और ये सिग्निफिकेंटली इम्पैक्ट करती हैं ग्राफिक्स प्रोसेसिंग स्पीड एंड ओवरऑल प्रोसेसिंग स्पीड ऑफ कंप्यूटर. Then option 4, that is the clock speed of the processor. It determines how many instructions CPU can execute per second, and it directly impacts overall processing speed. Then option 5, number of cores available in the processor. More cores जो है that allow CPU to handle multiple tasks at the same time, जो कि significantly improve करती हैं multitasking और performance in the motherboard applications. Therefore, first option, that is the number of keys on a motherboard, that is that's not directly related to the computer processing, but that is related to the input functionality, but that does not directly affect the computer processing speed and overall performance. Hence जो हमारा option number 1 है, that's our correct answer. Now let's proceed to next question, that is a dash device is any device that provides information which is sent to the CPU. Your options are: 1. Input, 2. Output, 3. CPU, and 4. Memory. Here the correct answer is option 1, that is input devices. Let's see the explanation. Input devices जो है, these devices provide information जो कि further sent की जाती हैं to the CPU for processing. And input devices जो हैं, these devices allow users to enter data, instructions and commands into the computer. And examples of input devices include keyboard, जिसको हम use करते हैं for typing text और commands. Then mouse, जिसको हम use करते हैं as a pointing, clicking और selecting device. Then scanner, इसको हम use करते हैं for digitizing images and documents. Then microphone, इसको हम यूज़ करते हैं for voice input and sound recording. And joystick and game controller, इसको हम यूज़ करते हैं for game input. Then touch screen, इसको हम यूज़ करते हैं for direct instruction with display. Then webcam, इसको हम यूज़ करते हैं for capturing images and videos. And barcode scanner, इसको हम यूज़ करते हैं for reading barcode information. Once जो CPU है, it receives data from these input devices, then that processes that data and sends the output to the appropriate devices. Hence जो हमारा option number 1 है, that's our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question. The question is, which of the following includes as type of input? Your options are: 1. Data, 2. Programs, 3. Commands, 4. User responses, and 5. All of these. Here the correct answer is option 5, all of these. Let's see the explanation. Data, programs, commands and user input, all are the types of input in computer system. Like if we talk about data, it include raw data, raw figures, रॉ फैक्ट्स फिगर्स जो कि हम एंटर करते हैं इनटू द कंप्यूटर लाइक नंबर्स टेक्स्ट्स एंड इमेजेस। देन प्रोग्राम्स जो कि हमें सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्ट्रक्शंस देखने को मिलते हैं दैट टेल्स द कंप्यूटर हाउ टू प्रोसेस डेटा। देन कमांड्स ये हमें इंस्ट्रक्शंस जो देखने को मिलते हैं दैट आर गिवन बाय द यूज़र to computer so that can perform specific tasks like copy paste save. Then user input, it makes user interaction possible like typing, clicking or touching a screen. So all of these are the inputs that CPU process to produce meaningful output. And जो हमारा option number 5 है that's our correct answer. Now let's see the next question. The question is information that comes from external sources and fed into the computer software is called. This question had been already asked in IBPS RRBPO Mains 2017. Your options are 1. Output, 2. Input, 3. Throughout, 4. Reports, 5. Process. The correct answer here is option 2, that is input. Let's see the explanation. Information that basically come from external sources that is fed into the computer software that's called as input. And in computing, input जो है it refers to any kind of data or instructions जो कि हम enter करते हैं या जिनको enter किया जाता है into the system through input devices. Input devices include like keyboard, mouse, scanner और microphone. Hence जो हमारा option number 2 है that's our correct answer. Now let us discuss another question. The question is input unit converts data in computer in dash dash form. Your options are 1. Suitable, 2. Acceptable, 3. Understandable and 4. Rejectable. Here the correct answer is option 3, that's understandable. Let's see an explanation. Input unit जो है it convert data into an understandable form for the computer. Like जो input devices हैं these devices convert data in human readable और external format जो कि translate करते हैं data को into the binary code जो कि computer central processing unit CPU समझता है और process करता है. ठीक है. Hence जो हमारा option number 3 है that's our correct answer. Now let's discuss another question. The question is the unit sends the processed result is to the user. Your options are 1. Input, 2. Output, 3. Memory, 4. CPU. I think this question will be easy for you. Here the correct answer is option 2, that is output. Let's see the explanation. Output unit जो है it send processed results to the user जो कि कन्वर्ट करते हैं प्रोसेस्ड डेटा को इनटू द ह्यूमन रीडेबल फॉर्मेट एंड जो कि डिस्प्ले करते हैं रिजल्ट्स को थ्रू आउटपुट डिवाइसेस लाइक मॉनिटर्स, प्रिंटर्स एंड स्पीकर्स. हेंस जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 है दैट्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज आउटपुट यूनिट इंक्लूड्स. योर ऑप्शंस आर 1. प्लॉटर, 2. प्रिंटर, 3. मॉनिटर and 4. all of these. Here the correct answer is option 4, all of these. Let's see the explanation. Plotter, printer and monitor सभी ये जो डिवाइसेस हैं these are the output units जो कि डिस्प्ले और जो कि प्रिंट करते हैं प्रोसेस्ड डेटा फ्रॉम कंप्यूटर फॉर द यूज़र. लाइक जो मॉनिटर है इट डिस्प्ले विजुअल आउटपुट. देन प्रिंटर जो है इट प्रोड्यूस हार्ड कॉपीज ऑफ डिजिटल डॉक्यूमेंट्स. एंड प्लॉटर जो है इसको हम यूज़ करते हैं टू प्रिंट लार्ज स्केल ग्राफिक्स एंड इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग्स. है ना जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 4 है दैट्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let's discuss another question. The question is the component is required to process data into an information and consists of integrated circuits. We had discussed it many times and this question will be also easy for you. Your options are 1. hard disk, 2. RAM, 3. CPU and 4. ROM. The correct answer here is option 3, that is CPU. Let's see an explanation. जो CPU है इट इज़ द प्राइमरी कंपोनेंट जो कि हमें नेसेसरी देखने को मिलता है टू प्रोसेस डेटा इनटू द इंफॉर्मेशन. और जो CPU है इसके हमें इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट्स देखने को मिलते हैं जो कि बेसिकली परफॉर्म करते हैं अरिथमेटिक, लॉजिकल, कंट्रोल एंड इनपुट आउटपुट ऑपरेशंस। और जो CPU है इसके हमें 3 मेन कंपोनेंट्स देखने को मिलते हैं, लाइक अरिथमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट ALU जो कि परफॉर्म करता है बेसिक कैलकुलेशंस एंड लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस। देन कंट्रोल यूनिट है, इट गाइड्स डेटा फ्लो एंड मैनेज इंस्ट्रक्शंस। देन रजिस्टर जो है जो कि बेसिकली हमें टेम्पररी स्टोरेज देखने को मिलते हैं विच कंप्यूटर यूज फॉर क्विक डेटा एक्सेस। है जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 3 है, दैट्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अनदर क्वेश्चन। द क्वेश्चन इज द सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट CPU in a computer consists of. I think this question will be more easy for you, just we had discussed about it. Your options are 1 input output and processing, 2 control unit primary storage and secondary storage, 3 control unit arithmetic logic unit and memory unit, and 4 all of these. Here the correct answer is option 3, that is control unit, arithmetic logic unit and memory unit. Let's see the explanation. कंट्रोल यूनिट जो है इट हैज़ मेनली 3 पार्ट्स. दीज आर कंट्रोल यूनिट, अरिथमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट एंड मेमोरी यूनिट. among which जो कंट्रोल यूनिट है इट कोऑर्डिनेट्स द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द CPU एंड अदर कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम, जो कि फैच करता है इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फ्रॉम मेमोरी एंड दैट डिकोड्स देम एंड जनरेट कंट्रोल सिग्नल्स टू एग्जीक्यूट देम. देन अरिथमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट ALU जो है इट परफॉर्म arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and it also perform logical operations, especially comparisons like greater than, less than, equals to. Then memory unit जो है these are also called as registers. और जो CPU है इसके हमें small amounts of fast memory देखने को मिलते हैं which we known as registers. और ये जो रजिस्टर्स हैं दीज एक्ट एज टेम्पररी स्टोरेज जो कि होल्ड करते हैं डेटा और इंस्ट्रक्शंस को दैट ALU एंड कंट्रोल यूनिट प्रोसेसेस. एंड CPU जो है इट इंटरेक्ट्स विद रैम, मेन मेमोरी और मेमोरी यूनिट दैट इज़ बेसिकली कॉल्ड एज रजिस्टर्स. देयरफॉर जो हमारा ऑप्शन 1 है दैट इज़ आवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट्स सी also why other options are incorrect. If we talk about option 1, that is incorrect because जो इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइसेस हैं वो हमें सेपरेट डिवाइसेस देखने को मिलते हैं जिनको हम स्पेसिफिकली यूज़ करते हैं टू एंटर और टू डिस्प्ले डेटा. देन ऑप्शन 2 जो है दैट इज़ आल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज प्राइमरी और जो सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज है ये हमें मेमोरी कंपोनेंट्स देखने को मिलते हैं दैट हैड नो रोल टू प्ले इन CPU. देन ऑप्शन 4 जो है ये हमें आल्सो इनकरेक्ट देखने को मिलता है बिकॉज all the listed components जो है in other options that are not exclusively the part of CPU. Hence जो हमारा option number 1 है that's our correct answer. Now let's discuss another question. The question is which instruction is used for loading data into the CPU accumulator register from memory. Your options are 1 load, 2 storage, 3 machine and 4 access. Here the correct answer is option 1 load. Let's see the explanation. Instructions जिनको यूज़ किया जाता है for loading data into the CPU accumulator register from memory, these are referred to as load or LD instruction in assembly language. So these are referred to as load or LD instructions in assembly language. And in 8085 microprocessor जो load है it is referred to as LDA, that is load accumulator direct. Like for example 8085 LDA 2000H, it loads the dead data which is stored at memory location 200H into the accumulator. And in 8085 or x86 assembly language 1234H जो है it loads the data from memory address 1234H into the assembly language register, which is basically the lower 8 bits of AX register, similar to an accumulator. Then ARM, LDR R0 and R1 loads the data from the memory addresses that is stored in R1 into the R0 register. Hence जो हमारा option number 1 है that's our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question. The question is why does computer add and compare data? Your options are 1 hard disk, 2 floppy disk, 3 CPU and 4 memory chip. As just we had talked about it, Here the correct answer is option 3, CPU. Let's see an explanation. The computer that add compares data, that basically add and compares data in arithmetic logic unit, जो कि हमें पार्ट देखने को मिलता है इन सॉरी जो कि हमें पार्ट देखने को मिलता है ऑफ सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. एंड ALU जो है इट परफॉर्म बेसिक अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशंस लाइक एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन, जो कि हैंडल करता है लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस को सच एज कंपैरिजन, ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन, इक्वल टू एंड और एंड नॉट. एंड कंट्रोल यूनिट जो है इट आल्सो डायरेक्ट्स ALU when CPU has to perform these operations based on the instruction from program. Hence to option 3 and that's our correct answer. Now let's discuss next question. The question is, in computer which of the following unit is responsible for processing and also known as brain of computer? This question had been already asked in SSC CGL 2019. I think this question will be more easy for you. Your options are 1 CPU, 2 keyboard, 3 hard disk, 4 RAM. Here the correct answer is option 1, CPU. Let's see the explanation. CPU सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, जो कि हमें रेस्पॉन्सिबल देखने को मिलता है फॉर प्रोसेसिंग द डेटा और इंस्ट्रक्शंस, जिसको हम आल्सो जानते हैं एज ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर. एंड द मेन कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ CPU आर अरिथमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट ALU, जो कि परफॉर्म करता है बेसिक अरिथमेटिक एंड लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस. देन कंट्रोल यूनिट CU, जो कि डायरेक्ट और गाइड करता है ऑपरेशंस बाय मैनेजिंग डेटा फ्लो एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस. देन रजिस्टर्स, जो कि हमें टेम्परेरी स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस देखने को मिलते हैं विच आर लोकेटेड इनसाइड द CPU, जो कि हमें इंपॉर्टेंट देखने को मिलते हैं फॉर क्विक डेटा एंड एक्सेस. Therefore जो CPU है it execute instructions from software and controls all the computer operations. Hence जो हमारा option number 1 है that's our correct answer. Now let's see the next question. The question is, the main job of a CPU is to, your options are 1 carry out program instructions, 2 store data information for further use, 3 process data and information, and 4 both 1 and 3. Here the correct answer is option 4, both 1 and 3. Let's see an explanation. जो मेन जॉब है CPU का that is to carry out program instructions and data processing. While if we talk about option 1 carry out program instructions, जो CPU है it fetch, decode and execute instructions that makes up computer system. और ये हमें फंडामेंटल वे देखने को मिलती है थ्रू विच जो CPU है दैट परफॉर्म ऑपरेशंस. देन ऑप्शन 3 प्रोसेस डेटा एंड इंफॉर्मेशन बाय एग्जीक्यूटिंग these program instructions, जो CPU है that then manipulates, that analyzes raw data in order to transform it into a meaningful information. However option 2 जो है that is store data and information, ये हमें प्राइमरी जॉब देखने को मिलता है मेमोरी, रैम एंड स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस का, but not of CPU itself. While जो CPU है it temporarily stores data in its registers during processing, and its main function जो है that is to execute, manipulate data and instructions. Hence जो हमारा option number 4 है that's our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question. The question is, the main purpose of time sharing techniques used in computers is to make best use of the, your options are 1 CPU, 2 peripherals, 3 secondary storage and 4 floppy disks. Here the correct answer is option 1, that is CPU. Let's see the main explanation. जो मेन पर्पस है टाइम शेयरिंग टेक्निक्स का इन कंप्यूटर इज टू मेक द बेस्ट यूज ऑफ CPU, दैट इज सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. एंड ये जो टाइम शेयरिंग फीचर है इट अलो मल्टीपल यूजर्स और प्रोग्रामर्स टू शेयर द CPU फॉर डिफरेंट टास्क्स, थ्रू विच जो यूजर्स है दे परफॉर्म डिफरेंट टास्क्स दैट इम्प्रूव्स एफिशिएंसी एंड स्टोरेज रिसोर्स यूटिलाइजेशन. बेसिकली ये जो टाइम शेयरिंग फीचर है इट एक्ट एज ए some sort of illusion that each user has different system, but basically they use or they share one CPU. Hence जो हमारा option number 1 है that's our correct answer. Now let's discuss last question of this session. The question is, the CPU is made up of 2 smaller components. Your options are 1 ALU and CU, 2 ALU and RAM, 3 RAM and ROM, and 4 RAM and CU. I think this question will be more easy for you, just we had talked about it. Here the correct answer is option 1, that is ALU and CU. Let's see the explanation. CPU central processing unit जो है it is made up of two main components. These are arithmetic logic unit ALU जो कि परफॉर्म करता है बेसिक arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, as well as that also perform logical operations like and, or, not, etc. Then control unit CU जो है it directs the operation of the processor by fetching, decoding and executing instructions. However, it is also important to note that कि कई modern CPUs जो हैं that also has additional components like registers and cache memory for faster processing. Hence जो हमारा option number 1 है that's our correct answer. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this session. वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, कमेंट कीजिए और अगर कहीं भी डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप ज़रूर बता दिए. अदर देन दैट अगर आपको PDF चाहिए आप टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, या अगर आपको कोई क्वायरी या डाउट हो पर्सनली आप मुझे पूछना चाहते हैं देन आप मुझे मेल कर सकते हैं, और आप मुझे आल्सो फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Dark channel. Thank you for watching.